What up, guys? So I watched this video the other time. I can't really remember who the content creator is or name or something, but the video is about someone making a video about her not getting enough views on YouTube and stuff like that. Yeah, so and that's something that a lot of small YouTubers can relate with. Like if you start a YouTube channel, you can definitely relate to not getting enough views. When you're posting, sometimes you even work hard, edit and post, and you're not getting enough views, but some people too are not getting views due to the reason why they joined. Like I didn't join YouTube for uh space to make money. It started where I was looking for where to keep my videos when I was teaching on WhatsApp. That's it. And that's it. So but people first of all need to understand YouTube initially was not created as a platform to pay creators. It was created to be a platform where people can come show their creativity and connect with people. So with time it got evolved to what it is today, where it's like the best video paying platform for creators if you're qualified, of course. Yeah, but you know sometimes too you need to look at it both ways, like reasons why some people don't really make it or don't even get to start YouTube at all. I think the number one reason is fear. Like they're scared. Like if you can be an introvert, right? Especially introvert, like they're scared of being found out at maybe their job site, maybe their family member discover their channel and stuff like that. It gets weird. Like maybe you're trying to be creative, but you don't really want it to be like the people around you to get to see it. But so that's also something too. It kind of scares people away. Some people are afraid that they're not good enough to be on the platform, and stuff like that. Another thing is comparison too. You're comparing with big YouTubers, people who've been in the game for a long time, people who don't work alone. If you're a small creator, you got to just know you have work. Like you're going to stress your ass off, man, because you're going to be the one to do the recording. The entire production is you. You're going to script, record, edit, post, design, everything. So you can't be looking at someone who's been there for years, got all these tasks, taken care of by teams, not even single people. You cannot. I'm at a park right now, tennis park. They play tennis here. To get a quiet place to shoot video here is really tough in this city. Really tough. I had to walk very far away to come record this video. Yeah, but the main thing I want to talk about in this video is reason why you can keep making videos even if no one is watching. Because I finally got to that spot where I'm like comfortable to like just make content. In fact, the phone I'm using to record with is an S24 Ultra, and I bought it purposely to record, my life in Cyprus. Not really a content thing. I just wanted to. I don't know if I leave Cyprus, if I'm gonna come back, so I wanted to just record it. Let's talk about the reason why I think you should keep making YouTube videos. Like no matter the low views, no matter the critics from friends and families, no matter all the shit you hear and all that. First of all, number one, you have to understand YouTube is a platform for any and everyone. Okay, if you decide to pick any niche to make videos about, there's always someone that need that content. Okay, in fact, if one person is watching, just know someone is watching. Okay, and that person cannot be the only person that need that content. So that content you're thinking of, starting to create in your YouTube channel for, to make it, someone is thinking about it too. Someone is looking for it but doesn't have someone to put it out there. Even if your niche is something that someone else has done it already, or a lot of people are in it, but they have not heard your own perspective. Your own perspective matters, because I don't think it's a new thing. There's no new thing out there to create, nothing. But your own perspective, your own way, the way you look at it, and then you put it out, you have something you just want to talk about. It's your own personal opinion might help somebody, or someone needs it. So just create the content no matter what. It doesn't really matter, man. Like it's crazy. If you're gonna that is for people who really want to create videos and then they're making all these excuses. That is, if you're gonna let people, kind of like stop you from doing what you want to do, then that's crazy. Because I'm literally, when I do vlogs on this channel, when I create and I post a vlog, I'm not posting that vlog for like views or to make money from it. I'm posting it because I know I'm not going to be in Cyprus at some point, and I will love to watch it. I would love to watch it at some point in my life. So I'm creating all these vlog videos. So I see my channel has this content on video editing and this vlogs and this YouTube content. I'm just creating videos, man. I'm having fun with it because I'm learning skills, you know, learning a lot of things in the process. While I'm doing that, how to edit videos, I'm learning how to use certain websites, certain AI tools. All of this is great. Like, it's fun. If you're enjoying it, you learn a lot. And personally for me, YouTube is a big distraction. This for me, for the kind of things that are like going through my head. Like right now that I'm on this island, if I didn't start recording videos, oh boy, yeah, I could have done a lot of stupid things. Stupid things. So it keeps me busy. Keeps me busy after work. I have a lot of hours before I sleep. It keeps me busy. So the recording and editing and all that just keeps me busy, and I'm happy, really happy. And my channel is growing, and I don't even, it wasn't the plan, but it's growing. So yeah, so now I'm learning how to keep doing that. Yeah. So the second point is, when it comes to you making videos, yeah, YouTube is a great platform to express yourself. Whatever thing you want to talk about, can be politics, religion. Like I said, the other point, your perspective matters. Okay, anything. If you want to, it can be anything. Are you a mechanic? Is it cooking or whatever? YouTube is that platform where you can come and put that content out there, that creative part of you that you think is inside. You just can just pour it out and just put it there on YouTube. Okay. And I think one of my main reason for YouTube, why I make videos, for memories. Yeah, memories, man. Like I said before, memories. When I like I said in the other point, memories, because I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. I think I should started recording my life in Cyprus a while ago. Well, I didn't have a good phone or camera then, but yeah, but you know, memories. YouTube can save as a digital diary for you. Especially if you're not someone that writes stuff like that, you can record, just record and upload. The space there is endless. You just record, upload. All right, so I'm talking about these points. I'm not talking about money, because money is something that comes afterward. If that was your target, okay, fine. But you should at least enjoy this thing when you're creating it, you know. So overall, YouTube is just a great platform to express yourself. Now, I'm saying all of this to say that if you are someone that wants to do YouTube, just do it, man. And it doesn't really matter what niche. Just do it. And you don't need to study the hell out of the platform to start. The most difficult thing is to start. Like, just start. Because when you start the channel, when you realize at some point that money is not just the main thing that excites you. Because if it's about money, if your goal, your motivation is money, yeah, when the money starts coming in, if you're not careful, you might lose the motivation to create more videos. I've seen a lot of big creators out there saying their motivation to create videos is there. Like, they don't know what's happening. They are not motivated. They had to take some time off, quit for a while, you know, go back and just take a break from the space, YouTube space and all that, then come back again, look for something else to motivate them, and then they start creating again. And one of them actually talked about what made them to come back was they realized it was a guy. He realized he had a real connection with his followers, his fans. They were worried, worried about him. Where is he? And stuff like that. Why is he not making this kind of videos anymore? So he came back for them, to keep making videos for them, and now that's what keeps him going, not the money. So if he makes a video and let's say his usual view is like 1 million in a week, and he gets like 10K views, he's okay with it because he made it for them, you know. Yeah, so the whole point of this video is, man, look, if you want to create video contents about anything, you know, do it. Just start. You learn in the process. Yeah, another thing is, people need to stop, like, you got to stop trying to make the perfect video, like the perfect editing, the perfect thumbnail design. Just make it, because you're going to be learning in the process. There's no such thing as the perfect video on this platform, and that's what I've learned. Like, there is no such thing like that. Just create what you can and post it. The most difficult part is to click that record button and be in front of the camera and post it. That's why I see a lot of people doing a lot of faceless channel now, you know. The most difficult part is to just start recording. That's the weird part, but it works. You know, you just need to have that courage to start. When you do that, in the process is gonna get easier and easier and easier, and you'll be good to go. Just start is the most difficult part. To start is the most difficult part. One more thing that YouTube can really help you with is it boosts your confidence a lot. If you're an introvert, yeah. In fact, talking to a camera like this, it's not easy. Yeah, like it's not easy. If you when you start doing it, then you understand what I mean. It's like you're talking to nobody. People can pass by, like I'm at the park right now, right? People can pass by, look at me like I lost my damn mind. I'm crazy. I don't even know what I'm doing right now is safe because I heard you're not allowed to record in places in Cyprus like that. So I'm gonna have to end this video very soon before I see police for here. Oh shit, yeah. So when you start learning how to talk to camera, it boosts your confidence. You learn how to talk to people properly, and you learn how to network properly. When you meet someone, especially when you meet someone in your own niche, you're gonna know how to communicate with them. When you go out, your communication skills is gonna grow up. Trust me. When you learn how to talk to the camera, there's so many people on YouTube that got videos on how to talk to the camera. They're pretty cool. I learned a lot from them. I'm not really good at communicating with the camera. Before I was kind of like rigid. Now I'm expressive. I can talk. I can do like this. This is progress, fam. It's not easy to come by. Yeah. So overall, I'm just saying like if you want to create content, just do it and forget about what people say. What your friends and family say. It's just like when I started teaching on WhatsApp, a lot of people criticized me. I made a video about that. I'll just keep it in the comment section. You can go check it out. A lot of people criticized me about it because they didn't know what I was doing. But when the fruits of that WhatsApp classes started paying off, they had nothing else to say. So yeah, that's it. It's basically the same thing. It's basically the same thing. So yeah, just keep pushing. If you're trying to create contents, do it. If you're creating videos and you're not seeing views, just keep doing it. Learn new tricks. A lot of things about the algorithm that we don't know. I think you can all do some research. I'm doing research. I'm currently working on a video about something I just recently learned. So I hope this video helps anybody out there, man. If you're a new creator or you're a small creator like me and you're struggling with views and all that, you're not alone. So it's kind of normal. And all the big YouTubers out there, they've been through it. They've been through this stage. So don't compare with them because they have their attacks being done by different people. So don't do that. All right, guys. So that's just what I wanted to talk about. This place is nice, man. This is one of the most quiet places I could find. I hope just because there are not people here playing tennis, but this is quite beautiful though. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm see you guys in the next video. Peace.